You know, when I first started making videos, I used to always start by saying, "Hi friends." I don't even know why I did that, to be honest. I guess I just considered all of you as my internet friends, you know? Like my little internet friends. Alright, that's it for this video and thank you for watching. Goodbye. Hi friends, right, let's talk about some apps which I use on my phone, and in the end I'm going to be talking about I think you kind of need to have like the passion for like your work. That's like my first tip on like making uni easier. You know, if you do software engineering, like you should just like code cool stuff, like code some games and stuff like that. If you're doing like graphic design, then like draw some stuff, draw some logos and stuff. And you know, if you're studying film and all that, like make some videos, you know, make some movies and like just have fun like with what you're doing. Like you kind of have to like enjoy the process of like learning your subject. Like that's my first tip to like make uni easier and all that, you know. Hi friends. So I think my tip number 2 for like making uni somewhat easier is that you need to have like some friends, to be honest. Like I think having friends is like a hack in life in general, and like it's basically like the cheat codes in like games, to be honest. Like wherever you are in life, like having friends is just one of the best things in life, to be honest. You know, I think like I need to have like friends to like stand by me, and have friends which can like lift you up. And here's a tribute to like all the friends which I had in my life. You know, wherever you are in the world, like thanks for the memories. You know, I think like I need to have like friends to like stand by me.
Just know that I'm thinking and dreaming of you.
Have friends which can like lift you up.
I've tried to be myself, but I'm just feeling missing you. We know this will end, and the earth will end to be where we belong.
some football now. Enjoy the little things. Tip number 3. That's tip number 3. Enjoy the little things.